Okay, hold up, why does no one talk about the pistol shrimp? This tiny little sea gremlin is like 2 inches long and somehow has the power of a gun. I'm not exaggerating. This thing snaps its claw so fast it literally creates a cavitation bubble that hits over 200 decibels. That's louder than a gunshot. And that bubble, it's so hot it briefly reaches the temperature of the sun. The sun. All that from a shrimp that looks like it should be on a cocktail platter. Fish nearby, instantly stunned. Crabs, toast, the ocean, traumatized. This shrimp doesn't even punch you. It just claps and physics takes care of the rest. So yeah, next time you think humans are the apex predators, remember, somewhere out there, a shrimp has a built-in sniper cannon in its arm. Mother Nature didn't just give up, she went full anime character.